Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Manikant Photoshop. Today I will manipulate an image and its title is Roaring Tiger. So let's begin my friend. First of all I have to choose the page which is 1960 by 1080. So create. So this is all the pictures through which I will manipulate. So let's drop the picture. Also make to like, share and subscribe to my channel friends. Slightly, yes, that's enough. Now we have to take another picture which is down part, and okay, that's, you see that the theme is fiery. Okay, so after that third image and set it here like this way. Now I have to erase this white line, and all these files will be uploaded in my RAR folder, which link you will be given below. I have to adjust it, will be here. Okay, little bit smaller, that's it. Now I have to delete this part, and now I have to match those colors.